Alright guys, Smoking Bears here. Today I saw something on Facebook and it got me thinking. Thanksgiving just came around and this picture was I'll put it up here. So my idea is turkey spam. I'm gonna cut it in the shape of a turkey. I don't know. Cheers. All right, so we got our spam. Let's open this up. Best if used by May 2022. Well, I think we're good. All right, so I don't know what I'm doing here. So let's cut right here, cut down, and then I'm just going to shape this. I want it to come down to about like this. See that? Pull that off. Shape that down around a little bit more. Looks like I can probably take this spot here off. Let's round this over because this is going to be the breast area right here. Never done this, so I don't know what it's going to look like. And then this, we'll have to cut it down because if the breast comes up, cut it down a little bit more to get to the butt, the turkey butt. Alright. Now let's cut a little wedge right here as if that was the breasts. Okay. We'll cut this in. All right. So now I got this piece. I think that looks okay. What do you think, Pat? Does that look kind of like the turkey breast going down into the butt?
The one.
This does?
One of them.
We'll probably go here. Let's move that over there. And we want to create the drumsticks. So let's cut that like that. We'll cut it in half. And then let's round this over.
Jeez.
Let's round it. Jeez.
Oh, was that loud?
Yeah.
Oh.
Just kind of shape one of these. Shape this down. Shape this.
Jeez.
The idea is you kind of want to get down to where it looks like a turkey leg. Now, let's take a toothpick, run it right through the leg. Let's run it right into the body. Looks like I need to trim off a little bit more right through here. I know, Pat, this is crazy.
I was gonna say, why don't you just leave it whole and carve it through there?
And then take another toothpick and let's bring the leg up. So let's wedge it down into there. Like that. Alright. Let's get another piece. And I got the oven heating up to 350 degrees. I'm not really sure what we're doing.
Can I cut one of the spams to do a turkey?
Oh, you want to do it? Let's do a spam off. I'll cut one and then you cut one.
Okay. It's Peyton, by the way. Hi.
Pete from Pete's Interest. Yes, she is a 15-year-old girl and is finding her own way as far as Dad's not cool.
No. Oh my goodness.
And she's choking on
Nothing.
trying to hold back her laughter because I've been talking about doing this for
Yeah.
a couple weeks.
Before.
I actually want to do it for Thanksgiving, but
Yeah, but we didn't get.
I was vetoed.
Mhm.
All right, so let's toothpick it here. Stick it on in. And we'll come in this one. And like that. All right, Pay. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little unmarked Wagner, give her a good spritz of oil, and then I'm going to drop my little bird right there.
You don't know what's coming, Dad.
Wow, Pay, you're doing a pretty darn good job.
Mhm. I've been around a turkey or two.
There's her body. It looks a lot better than mine. Oops. Hers looks a lot better than mine. Mine's kind of squared off. Mine's more 8-bit.
Mhm. Now, what Dad did not do is size fit.
Just watch it. Doing good.
A little small. That's perfect. Okay.
All right.
There is my turkey.
Oop, your leg fell off. It's still running.
There you go.
All right, there we go. Let's get them in the oven. Hey, what are you doing?
Eating the sperm.
She's eating the Spam shavings. We actually like Spam. Does it taste like turkey? Or does it taste like ham?
It's like ham and turkey.
Ham and turkey.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, all right.
Sit. Sit.
Dog approved. Rex is wagging his tail. Bella's wagging her tail. So dogs like it too. So it's been roughly 10 minutes. We didn't set a timer. See him kind of golden brown. That looks kind of good.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get a little zoom in here. Not too bad. Not too bad.
No.
All right. So let's put these on the plate. I'm sure how to grab these things.
Grab with my leg. Okay. All right.
All right, so let's give this a taste test. All right, Pay. Well, I'm gonna go in for one of mine. I'm just gonna pull one of these legs off.
Okay.
I'm gonna go for the leg.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. It's got a little color. There's Pay's. Ready? Wait. All right, here we go. Yep, texture Spam. It does have a turkey flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Got a little crispy, little good bits.
It tastes different than when it was cold.
Yeah, much better.
Mm-hmm. But now it is up to you guys to decide who won.
Yeah, put it in the comments down below which one you like better.
Mm.
I'm sure it's going to be hers, but it's okay. All right, well, that's Smoking Bears. Get out there, try something different, something crazy.
In a barbecue that barbecues or spams together.
A family that barbecues together,
Stays.
spams together, cooks together, plays together,
Something together. Stays together.
does anything together,
Stays together.
especially if they OH,
IO!
Big Ten champs.